Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. With some more NASCAR Authentics, we have the whole Wave 5. So for this episode, we are going to do Ben Rhodes 2018 Kentucky Motor Speedway Win Truck. On the back, here are all the Wave 5 cars that we have. Let's get Ben Rhodes out of the box. So here's the card of him. And here is his green 41 truck. So his sponsor is the Carolina Nut Cooperation. It's green. It has some white and a black on the back. He is the number 41 car. The number 41 truck. He is in a Ford Bird truck. So let's take a look at his card. There's him. And it is in 2018. He has led 38 laps, and it was a second career win in the Truck Series. So we got another truck here, but it's a Toyota. But the truck bodies still look a little the same. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.